Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. Today I'll be unboxing two ILY 4EVER dolls. The one on the left is inspired by Ariel, and it's a new doll that just came out last week. The one on the right is inspired by Moana, and she's been available for a while. However, my store had her on sale for $17.50, and for that price I could not pass on the opportunity to purchase her. I purchased both of these dolls primarily for the outfits because I already have plenty of 18-inch dolls. And the moment I saw someone post this doll, the picture of this doll on social media, I knew I wanted this doll for her outfit. So she is inspired by Ariel. And if you're not familiar with Disney Bound in concept, let me explain it to you. It has existed for, over 10 years now. A lot of adults who are into Disney like to go to Disney parks dressed up as Disney characters, but you're not really allowed to wear costumes. So you're kind of wearing regular clothes that are inspired by a Disney character. Look at this top, so cute. I know a few people were confused about Disney Bound in concept and why these dolls are wearing outfits that are not movie accurate, or the dolls themselves are not movie accurate. For example, this doll, she does not look like Ariel. She looks more like Belle, probably. So I decided I'd explain the concept of Disney bounding in this video. I hope my explanation had all your questions answered. And by the way, if you are new to our channel but interested in all 18-inch doll related content, I definitely suggest subscribing to our channel. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest 18-inch dolls news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Now, I just want to let you know that you see those plasticky parts right there, the ones that hold hair. I like to cut them off from the back part, and that will make it easier to remove them from the doll's hair later. Now let me show you this beach bag that comes in the set. It's shaped like a seashell. It's purple, which is one of Ariel's signature colors. So it kind of looks like an oyster shell. And the hole for the handle looks like a pearl. I think that's a really clever design. And it says thingamabobs on the front of the bag. The bag is very flexible. It is plastic, but it is flexible enough. And it's roomy enough for small accessories if your doll decides to bring something to the beach with her. Now, you can see already that there are those plastic things in this doll's hair. Because we already cut off some parts of them, they're super easy to remove. You kind of split them and just peel them off, and they come off right away. You see that? Just like that, so easy. And we're gonna do the same on the other side. And I've noticed that ILY 4EVER dolls, when their hair is out, it's kind of split into 3 parts, and that's how they styled in the box. So this is what our doll looks like. And I actually had a hard time removing sunglasses because they were kind of attached to her head, very close to her hair. So I would suggest using detailing scissors if you have them. If you don't, go really, really careful about it. Once you remove it from the head, it's easier. So the sunglasses are really cute. They're purple, and they say, "I'm a mermaid," which I think, Ariel is a mermaid. So if you are dressed as Ariel, you might as well have sunglasses like that. I like the small details on the sunglasses that look like teal seashells right next to the words, "I'm a mermaid." Really, really cute. Of course, I'm planning to use this outfit with my American Girl Ariel doll, but you can use it for any doll you want, and she doesn't even have to dress up as Ariel. She can just use them as a part of any other outfit. And now let's take a look at the doll and her hair. It's not thin. It's, the regular amount of hair for this type of doll. The hair fiber is the same type as they use on Barbies. It is nice. Let me show you something. So you see she is covered in plastic where her body and limbs are touching the skirt, and that's probably because the manufacturer knows that the skirt is going to dye transfer. This happened to me. I'll show you later. I I knew about this dye transfer thing with ILY 4EVER outfits. And against my better judgment, I left it on one of my dolls for 3 days, and it got stained. I'll show you later. Anyway, the hair is nice. It's not greasy or anything, but it's also not quite as silky as the blonde hair. I feel like with this type of hair, blonde hair somehow is silkier, and maybe it has a different chemical structure. I don't know. Overall, there's a lot of hair to play. If you purchasing this doll and planning to play with that doll, for example, you're purchasing it for your little one or for yourself, I think the hair is good enough. There's a decent amount of it, it's long, and it looks like there are a lot of options for styling. And now let's take a closer look at the shirt, because the shirt is what sold me on this doll. This is actually thicker fabric than I expected. It kind of feels like felt on the inside. The outer side does feel cheap, but the inside is soft and felty. So I do like this top. And let me show it to you when I took it off the doll. So you see it's a really soft but thick material. And notice the sleeves have cuffs. I think this is kind of a decent amount of detail. I'm actually quite impressed. It is better than I expected, the top. The skirt is made out of this stretchy, shiny fabric that if you shop at Joann's Fabric, they sell it at the cosplay section. So, yeah. The belt part is, it has a shiny part on the inside too. But the skirt itself, it's just one layer. So on the inside, it doesn't look like this. There are pleats. I think the look is really cool, and I already mentioned it in my other videos. I wish these outfits were higher quality because I would love to purchase them at a higher price if they are better quality. I think whoever is designing these outfits is doing an amazing job. Everything's super cute, trendy. It's something that I just enjoy looking at, dressing up my dolls in. Yeah, the outfits are amazing. The design of the outfits is amazing. The dolls, this doll is really cute. Let me put on the sunglasses on her. I think she looks really cute. She actually reminds me of Disney animator dolls. By the way, let me know in the comments if you know what they are and if you collect them. They kind of look like older version of the animator dolls, right? They definitely have very similar proportions on their face. And my Ariel, of course, had to try this outfit on, and I think she looks so good in it. This is definitely an amazing outfit, but I'm gonna wash it first because I'll show you later. Now let's open the Moana inspired doll, and as I already mentioned, I got her for $17.50 at my store, and this is the price I'm willing to pay for this outfit. I think this outfit is made of a fabric that's a little bit better quality than most of their outfits. It's still synthetic, but it just feels a little bit better, you know, less cheap. This doll's hair is styled into 2 pigtails. They kind of look like buns. They kind of remind me of Minnie Mouse. Anyway, this doll comes with this romper, a bag, shoes of course, and a necklace. And I really like the romper. Actually, the style is so cool that I would wear it myself if they made it in human size. I think it's a fun summer style, vacation style, and I do enjoy wearing rompers. It's just one piece, you put it on and you're ready to go. I'm not going to show this to you, but I cut everything from the back of the box the same way I did with the Ariel inspired doll. This is how I usually unbox my dolls. I cut off whatever I can from the back of the box so I don't have to cut things close to their hair or clothes. Look at her. Look how pretty she is. I absolutely love the baby hair and the way it's styled. So beautiful. And look at her eyebrows. They actually have individual hairs. You can see them, right? So beautiful. And she has these beautiful big brown eyes and this fun hair. Oh my gosh, the hair is so cute. So there's a part in the middle and the hair that's close to her scalp is straight, but once it's in pigtails, it's curly. It's like really has a lot of volume. So fun. Let me show you her necklace. It's a one piece. It looks like 2 or 3 different necklaces, but it really is one piece, and it's all plastic. It kind of looks like seashells and other natural materials. Really cute. Now let me show you the bag. It has a Hawaiian flower on it. So nice. It is a plastic bag, but it is flexible plastic. You can actually put small accessories in there. The design is cute. I love the tassel on the side. Such a nice summer bag. Now let's take a look at the romper, and you see these are all the details that it has. It's a one piece. It kind of looks like it could be 2 pieces because the print on the top and on the bottom part is different, but no, it's one piece. It's sewn together. The print is different, but it's kind of matching, and I think it's really cute. As I already mentioned, if this was made in human size, I would absolutely purchase one for myself. Very summery. Now let's take a look at the shoes, and the shoes are of course plastic. Also nice, cute summery vacation design. Very Moana-ish. I love it. And this is what she looks like out of the box. I think she's such a cute doll. Even though I purchased her for the outfit, I do like the doll herself. Here's a view from the back. And here is what my Tiana looks like wearing this outfit. I think she's actually rocking it. And you can do this with the necklace. It actually fits around her bun. I like this look too. I think the dolls are pretty, the outfits are pretty. I'm absolutely happy with my purchase. I did pay the full price for the Ariel doll, but you know what? I really wanted this outfit. I was dying to put it on my Ariel doll. Let me know in the comments if you purchased any of these dolls or any other ILY 4EVER dolls, or if you're planning to. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all 18-inch doll related content, but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do that. And turn on the notification bell so YouTube will let you know every time we upload a new video. We post all the latest 18-inch doll related news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.